All right, today we're going to learn how to graph points on a coordinate plane. So when given a point, the first number is your x, the second number is your y. The x is going to tell you two directions, left or right. So when we go left, it's because our point is negative, and if we go right, it is because our point is positive. Y is going to tell us two different directions, up or down. Up is going to be positive, left is going to be negative. And then we will see 0, and 0 means stay in your position. So that means if you have a 0 for your x, you don't move left or right. Or if you have a 0 for your y, that means you don't move up or down. In your coordinate plane, there's 4 quadrants, and it works backwards. So quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Quadrant 1, both numbers are positive. Quadrant 2, we have negative and positive. Quadrant 3, both numbers are negative. Quadrant 4, we have a positive and a negative. So let's go ahead and practice graphing. So first one is 0, 1. So we start the origin. 0 means we don't move left or right. The y tells us to go up one spot. We have 1, 3. So again, start the origin. 1 is positive. We'll go the right one space. Then 3 is going to be positive, so we're going to go up 3 spaces. 2, 5. So again, start at the origin, go to the right 2 spaces, and then we'll go up 5 spaces because the 5 is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 7. To the right 3 spaces, and then up 7 spaces. 4, 9. Start the origin again, go to the right 4 spaces, and then we're going to go up 9 spaces. So everything was positive, so we went to the right and went up. Number 2, our first number is negative. So we'll start at the origin. Since it's negative, we're going to go to the left 2 spaces, and then the y value is positive, so we're going to go up 1 space. Next, we have negative 1, 2. So start at the origin, go to the left for negative 1, and then up 2 spaces for that positive 2. 0, 3. 0 means we don't move left or right, but we will move it up for that 3. 1, 4. Go to the right 1 space, up 4 spaces. 2, 5. We'll go to the right 2 spaces, and then up 5 spaces. All right, number 3. We have negative 3 and negative 6. So we're going to start at the origin. We're going to go to the left 3 spaces. 6 is negative. We're going to go down 6 spaces. All right, negative 2, negative 5. We're going to go to the left 2 spaces. It's negative, and then we'll go down 5 spaces. Negative 1, negative 4. We're going to go to the left 1 space since negative for negative 1, and then down 4 spaces for negative 4. 0, negative 3. We'll start the origin. We're not going to go left or right, but we will go straight down for that negative 3. And then 1, negative 2. We'll go the right one, and then down negative 2. All right, last problem. So we have negative 1, 1. So negative 1 tells me to go the left 1 space, and then we'll go up 1 space. 0, 2. So 0, we don't go left or right. We stay at the origin, but we will go up 2 on our y-axis for a y point of 2. 1, 3. We'll go the right 1, up 3 spaces. 2, 4. Go to the right 2 spaces because it's positive. Up 4 spaces because that 4 is also positive. And then last point is 3, 5. So to the left 3 spaces, up 5 spaces.